What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we're just going to go over this magnetic key case. Never say never. I locked myself out of my car. I know what y'all going to say. How could you be so stupid? I popped the trunk and I never unlocked the car. I put the groceries in the trunk, but guess what happened? I put my keys in the trunk because I sat it there. The only thing that saved me was that I had my cell phone in my pocket. If I would have put my cell phone and my keys in the trunk, I would have been screwed. I would have been asking people, hey, can I use your phone? And blah, blah, blah. I have never done that ever in the longest time in my life. You put your spare key into this casing right here. I'm going to tell you why. It's the most important thing because you can virtually stick this anywhere on your car that is magnetic. Okay. Now, of course, you're not going to put it in your hood. But you want to put it maybe somewhere on the chassis, somewhere it's easy to reach. That way, if you forget your keys, you can pop open your case. You have to dig your nail right in there. I don't have nails, but you gotta creep in there. When you creep in there, you open it up, take your key out. Now, let me see. Oh, okay. So here's the issue with my key. The butt of my key is the issue. So I will have to get a key made. All right. I would probably go to Walmart or Home Depot or something, get a regular key made just for opening the door. I don't need the whole fob or nothing. Just give me a regular key. That way I can open the door and that way it'll fit in here. This time I'm going to have a spare key, but I'm going to have it attached to the bottom of my car. All right. And that's the magnet. So if you need to stick it somewhere on your chassis, just make sure it's somewhere magnetic. Let me see. See? So don't get no crazy ideas, you guys. This is not where I'm going to stick it. I'm going to stick it somewhere where you can't reach. Anyways, I got transmission problems. So if you try to take my car, you're going to be frustrated anyway. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.